just got back from New Orleans and I'm craving bananas Foster. Well, let's make it. Obviously, first ingredient, bananas. You don't want bananas that are too ripe or they won't hold up to the heat. Just kind of like a perfectly ripe, even with a little bit of green left. So I'm just gonna take these, cut them in half, and then slice them lengthwise. And you've got all this surface area to get caramelized when it hits the heat. Okay, and that's the hardest part. Let's get cooking. The process is very simple. Just get your ingredients ready because once you start, you kind of need to see it all the way through. So you're just gonna start by melting some butter in a skillet. To that, I'm gonna add in some brown sugar, a little cinnamon, some vanilla, and then just get that kind of making like a little bit of a caramel. Then we'll add in our bananas. This recipe also adds in a little walnuts. All right, just gonna cook this for about a minute and then I'll go in with the rum. You do want to be careful. I think the best way to take caution is just to turn the heat completely off. I'm just gonna use a long match. We're gonna set this baby on fire. If you want to really impress your guest, you can sprinkle in a little cinnamon and make those firecrackers. Takes less than a minute for that alcohol to burn off. We've got a nice syrup. Break out the ice cream. This is my favorite kind of dessert that's hot and cold, crunchy and creamy all together. I'm just digging right in. There's no time to waste. Look at that. I've completely died and gone to heaven down in the bayou. It's so fun, it's easy, it's indulgent. You can definitely put on a show in your house when you make bananas Foster at home. I just got back from New Orleans and I'm craving bananas Foster.